I'm Ashley.
And I'm Savannah.
And we're the Bangeter Sisters. Today we're going to be doing a tour of our barn, telling you what our animals' names are and what we do with them. And here's our barn, and a little kitty from our litter of kittens. Beware, our barn is like other barns, kind of messy, so just know that. We'll start with over here on the left, our rabbit S'mores, and he is a purebred Holland Lock. So this is what it looks like when we first open the barn. We have the cats over here. They're very dirty, catchy. They don't have great stuff, but okay. And then their food and their water and their litter box. So this is mostly just the cat's spot, and we keep their food in a container. It's really handy. So. And over here we have the rabbits. Keep in mind, one of the cages tipped over and we didn't have time to clean it up, so it's kind of messy. Here is a purebred American Holland Lop, and she should be pregnant. Her name's Angel. Then we have Prince, and he is also a purebred American Fuzzy Lop. And then here's Tiger, but we call him Ty, and he is a purebred Mini Rex. Then we have Mustache over here. She's actually a girl, but she has a mustache, so I still call her Mustache. And then we have Tiana, and she's a purebred Mini Rex. Then we have, this is little Foo-Foo. And she is my grandma's rabbit. Then below her is Pepper, and she should also be pregnant. Then we have Acorn and her one baby. This is her baby. We haven't found a little name for him, so put in the comments what you think we should name him. And this is a Mini Rex, but because Acorn only had one, we gave him a little buddy. And then here is Tide, and we named her after the ocean tides because she's kind of a blue color. And these are her babies. And that's it. So then when we're done with the rabbits, we come down the breezeway and into this first stall. Actually, it's the second. The first one is all our dad's tools. So we come into the first stall, and it is messy and needs cleaned out, but this is the goat stall. And so they have their salt block in there, their hay feeder, and this is Cody, and this is Cody's mom named Harmony, and they are pygmy goats, and they're known for being small, and they're very cute and friendly. So these are, again, pygmy goats, and they're milk goats, not meat goats, even though Cody has the meat goat colors. And we used to do 4-H with them, but they need to be in milk, and she's not in milk. So sadly, we can't do 4-H with them anymore. But it was fun while we did it, so. So when we want to let them outside and eat the weeds, which they kind of have already done, we let them out into this run, and so they can come around and get all the stuff that they want to do and run around and stuff, instead of being cooped up in a stall. And that's it for the goats, so we'll move on to the chickens. chickens. I'm not gonna go in because it's really messy and kind of gross. Over here is my sister's rabbit, Cookies and Cream, and we don't know what breed he is. And we have about 24 chickens, so we get a lot of eggs. Next we have our new puppy that we got like 2 months ago, and that's Coda. He is a purebred border collie, and he's AKC and ABC registered. He still has some work to do on training, so we'll probably do a lot of training videos on him showing his progress and things like that. So that's it. So when we're done with Coda, you can see over here we have all the feed bags and stuff. This one is chicken scratch. We give it to them, and it's just a variety of seeds. And then we have the goat's grain, which is corn and wheat and stuff like that, smashed corn. And then we have the puppy's food, which is just little squares. And then we have the chicken's food in this bag. And they eat like 1 bag a week, so they're pretty expensive. And then we come over here, and this is the furthest stall. And this is the hay stall, and it is really messy because we like to keep wood and stuff and tires, and we keep our bales of hay here, and it's just a good place to store it because it's a wooden floor. Then over here through these doors we have the garden, and one winter the store actually blew down, so we don't open this one anymore. But anyway, here's the garden. We ate all the corn already. We have beans, squash, cucumbers, tomatoes,
and it's
and
really
pumpkins.
weedy.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Over here is just like a chicken coop that we got for free somewhere. The chickens don't get in it anymore, but we did use it for a broody hen once to have her chicks in it. Then over here in the distance we have another coop, and we were going to put the chickens in it, but we ended up getting too many chickens, so they won't fit all in that one spot. And last but not least, we have my border collie, Lily, and she's also AKC and ABCA registered. AKC for American Kennel Club and ABCA for American Border Collie Association. And sorry, her kennel's really dirty. I haven't cleaned her in a while. She is really excited to see the chickens. And I trained her to do agility and things like that. So she's already knows how to do obedience, and she's really pretty well trained. Now as we come down here between the garden and her kennel, we see this wood pile that we have here, and we use it in the winter and during the summer when we light fires and stuff for our campfire. And then we only have 1 acre of land, so this is all we have, and that back field is actually our neighbors, and hopefully when I get my horse I will be able to ask them if I can use it to really train, because this is mostly garden area and bees over there in the corner. So, yep. Thank you for watching our second video with our barn tour, and we hope you liked seeing all our animals and what we do with them and stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's see if we can get 5 more subscribers in 1 week. We got 4 this week, which is pretty good. We want to shout out to our cousins for subscribing to us, Gabby and Bella King. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!